the secret's finished. And most of you are right. It's a helipad. Only joking. It's a magnificent splash park. It's been a year and a half in the making and 3 months in the building. Lots of people made this possible. We'd love to thank the Australian Government for the $100,000 grant, Katrina and the bank for organising the other 200, Mariner Civil Landscaping, Park Equip, Apollo Bay Garden Supplies, Seaview Home Maintenance, CCP Civil and Precast Concrete, David Hell and John Foster Carpentry, Data Power Communications, Shotgun Soda and Abrasive Blasting, Water Supply Specialists, Easy Turf, Reese's Plumbing and Ballarat Engineering Plastics. We're officially opening it on the first weekend of September. So come along and splash around. Tell you a little secret though, on the June long weekend, we're doing some testing. So if you're in the area, grab a wetsuit and come and have a bit of a splash around. See you soon. Stay safe.